What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully, everyone's having an amazing Wednesday. You know what tonight is. Tonight's the live show. Make sure you tune in 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, you name it, we're on it. We're going to be talking about the markets. Where are we? What's going to happen next? Where do we go from here? Is there more down? Are we going up? What is going on? Why is this taking so long? A lot to discuss and a lot to go over. And make sure you tune in at 7 p.m. tonight. We're going to jump into a post from Monica Long, which is very interesting. We're going to talk about Ripple. PayPal, is something cooking, is something brewing. Wait until you see this information. We'll dive into the XRP and the Bitcoin charts. We're going to talk about when the markets are about to go back up. So without further ado, sit back, relax. Let's jump into it. Yesterday wasn't a bad day for crypto. Look, the red, the bleeding, looks like it came to an end. Hopefully today and more days in this week, we can see some additional movement to the upside. Bitcoin's coming in at $88,725. It's currently down 0.36% in the past 24 hours. A lot better than being down double digits, folks. Ethereum coming in at 2,467. It's currently in the green at 1.73%. USDT's coming in at $1 along with USDC as XRP 100% is leading the way, leading the recovery here. It's up almost 5%, coming in at $2.28. If we really look back to 3 months ago, we're up over 56%. Not too shabby. I'm not mad about it. Look, the last major correction that we seen, we sort of wicked down on XRP to $1.77. This one wasn't as deep, which is a nice thing. We never got outside of that $2 range, which is super bullish for XRP as it is holding that 2020 all-time high like a rock. The next move up, it is coming. Has it been delayed or is it coming when we expect it to come? We're going to cover that in just a second. Total cryptocurrency market cap's fighting to get back to $3 trillion, coming in at $2.9 trillion. Credible Crypto did a little throwback here. This is his post from 2012, 3 years ago. He states, and remember, this was right after, or 2022, 2012, 3 years ago. So this was right in between the 2020 bull run that just happened and then the next cycle, which started in 2024. He said the best part about this next rally, which we're talking about present day, will be the absolute disbelief as we pump post-explosion on the second largest centralized exchange in the world. Reality is, bottoms are made of these events. What better way to wash out the final weak hands than the implosion of the second largest sex in the world? Question is, what's the second largest sex? I don't know if it was Binance or FTX. I want to say it was FTX, right? Let's see. Because Binance isn't going anywhere. The top 3 exchanges right now are it's Bybit. I think FTX was not. So it's either Bybit or FTX, but yeah, he was referring to FTX, but I thought. So FTX, they're gone. Sam Bankman-Fried's in jail, and somehow he still has access to a Twitter account. Pretty interesting. Dr. Profit put this out. Bitcoin production cost now sits at $95,000. Let that sink in here. $95,000 is the production cost to mine Bitcoin. Current price of Bitcoin sitting around 89K. So everyone who's mining Bitcoin is at a loss. How long can you operate a business? Because mining Bitcoin is a business. So how long can you operate a business at a loss, folks? That's the question. Historically, this is one of the best buying opportunities. I agree. Look, if this thing never gets back over 95K, these mining machines are all going to turn off. Nobody's going to mine Bitcoin. And if there's no new Bitcoins being produced, what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? It 100% is going to skyrocket. If these Bitcoin miners, which are controlled by the elites out there, and they know what their break even level is, and they're not in this game just to break even. They understand that this price is going to go back above 95,000. This is just an emotional game right here, an emotional roller coaster, and we are part of it. Remember, the bull run is just not all, sunny days, crystal clear water. We got some muck in there. And it's not just green candles. That full scented each and every single day. Those are the parabolic blow off tops. During this bull run, we will have bumpy rides, and that's what we're seeing now. Let's look at the XRP chart. This is the weekly chart, and it's showing the time frame at the bottom, monthly time frame here. Just look at the structure. This is a bullish chart. There is nothing to be concerned about. The only times that you should have been concerned on XRP was back in April of 2022 all the way until May of 2023 when we traded and trended under this red wave, which was a bearish wave. We then broke up and have been above and into bullish territory for quite some time, and then that explosion started to happen in the beginning of November, giving us over a 600% increase, almost a 700% increase on the price of XRP, all within a span of 45 days. This is bullish. When should you get worried about the price of XRP? Right here. 99 cents, we'll call it $1. If we were to drop back under $1, you need to get worried and you better be scared because that is not good. But for the time being, you can see the targets we're looking at right here. We talked about the 272 region. It's really about 274, 273.3. Okay, when that's broken, we talk about 282, which is the key hurdle, that the only hurdle I am paying attention to. And when that gets broken as well, I mean, there's one sitting around $3, but that's not going to be hard to break. We look at 331. When 331 is done, it is a straight rip to the upside. We're going to jump into that $4 region, $4 to $5 like you've never seen before. And I do believe that move is still coming at the end of Q1, beginning of Q2. Bitcoin, same chart, same setup. You can see since December 23rd, Bitcoin formed its reversal and has been absolutely ripping to the upside. We told you Bitcoin would never drop out of that $90,000 region. We don't count these little wicks where it hit 86. We count the full body closures. Came in at 88,392. We were pretty freaking close. Unfortunately, it couldn't be 100% accurate, but we were pretty close with this box, right? 90K. Currently, we're sitting at about 89K. We're pretty close there. The next target up on Bitcoin is sitting at 99,000. When that gets broken, we make a run towards the all-time high. When 108's done, it's freaking time to go, folks. It's time to full send this thing. No reason to be afraid here. No reason to be scared. No reason to be down in the dumps. If this crypto thing is getting just a little too crazy, I'm telling you, go walk outside. Take a walk. But we are A-OK right here. And Kalo's like full-blown all season kicks off in mid-March. This lines up exactly with what I have been talking about. It's coming. He then says, I don't know, maybe it's in April. Should have phases the Bitcoin dominance tops by mid-March after Bitcoin hits new all-time high. Remember, it all starts with Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to break out above 108. That dominance is going to get close to that 70% range. When that does happen, and only until that happens, we will not see a rotation into alts. But if Bitcoin, or when Bitcoin does start to go up next month, within the next 30 to 60 days, we'll label it, it's going to drag the rest of the market up with it. And then our life-changing gains will come onto these altcoins when the Bitcoin dominance starts to drop back down. As of for right now, sit on your hands, go take a walk, come back in a week or so. We're all still going to be here. Let these days just get behind us. Get ready for the amazing times ahead. And if you're looking to buy, now's not a bad time to buy with these prices out there. I'm going to be looking to see what goes on today in the markets if we get a green day, because I don't want to say we're out of the woodworks just yet. I want to get some confirmations here with Bitcoin moving back up into that $90,000 region. When I get those confirmations, I will know that these altcoins are going to start to recover as well. But my next move here, what I'm looking at, it's a very simple move. I'm going to be jumping in onto Ethereum. I believe Ethereum has been stuck for quite some time in just a miserable range. I believe the breakout is due 8 to 12,000 on it. I'm looking to make, a quick buck on it, a quick 2 to 4x, then take that money out and rotate it into an altcoin which did not move yet. The same thing with Solana. Solana's just fine. Everyone thinks Solana's dead. The pump fund really ruined the token. It has nothing to do with that. These institutions want Solana. They want XRP. They want Bitcoin. They want Ethereum. They want HBAR. They want Aave. They want AVAX. They want Chainlink. They want all of these tokens. There is a reason they have dumped millions beyond millions of dollars into these cryptos, because they know where they are heading. If anyone should be worried, it should be the institutions that have dumped millions. But you know what? They're not worried. And you shouldn't be worried either. I know we didn't get into the PayPal, Monica Long, and everything that was going on with that, and Ripple and the banking and XRP. We're going to hit that in the next video. We went on a little bit of a rant to go over this crypto emergency situation. Look, just hold tight, folks. Wash your damn hands. Be nice and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.